What is up, guys? It's your boy Marcus back again with another video, and today I'm heading to Stuttgart. Um, I'm gonna check out the Porsche Museum, another museum. I think it's closed on a Monday because today's a Monday. But anyway, I'm still gonna enjoy, see some friends, and see how Stuttgart is. I guess it's pretty like a small place, so I won't get lost this time. And I'm in the train right now, and it goes straight to Stuttgart. So I'll be fine with that. But anyways, let's enjoy this ride. See you in Stuttgart, guys.
RB 14b nach Stuttgart Hauptbahnhof. Nächster Halt Böblingen.
All right, guys. So I'm officially in Stuttgart now, and I'm on my way to the library because most of this stuff is closed. Hopefully, the library is not closed and is open. Then I can show you how the library is. But so far, so good. Stuttgart is actually nice. I mean, from the station to where I'm going, everything looks pretty decent, calm, less noise than Berlin. Berlin's actually noisy. And the people here, same thing, always straightforward. They never smile, no smiling, nothing. It's just like, boom, I'm going to where I'm going. Don't talk to me. That's how it is. Guys, so I left my gloves at home and my fingers are freezing. My hands is literally freezing. So I think I'm going to switch it to using my phone for the video because, yeah, I can't be having one hand out holding my camera whilst it's freezing. Literally freezing. The south is very cold. The south is very cold. So I'm gonna just give you a little bit of where I'm at, like sitting right now. Then the next is gonna be in the library. Then I figure out the library and all that. Guys, I guess we made it to the mall. But it's closed. I'm gonna get some McDonald's to eat because I'm hungry as fuck. And also one thing I've noticed, they have this media mart everywhere. Like all the shopping centers have Media Mart. I ain't gonna lie, that was fast. I just literally sat down for like 3 minutes or 2 minutes. And food is same. This burger there, this is my burger. It's like kids burger, bro. Look how small it is. Very kids burger. So I had the beef and now there's the chicken. More arcade games. It's nice out here, I ain't gonna lie. Yep, so in the library. Yeah, so this library is kind of like very huge. And there's like 8 floors to the top. So I'm going to the 8th floor to check it out. It's big and everything is, all the books are in German, so I'm like, what am I even doing here? I mean, I want to read, but let's see. Oh my God. Yeah, it's just raining. I don't know if this is the center of Stuttgart, but probably there's a little bit of local statues. I think down there is the train station. I don't know what building is this, but it looks very nice. And that one too. So guys, I think I'm at Schlossplatz. I don't know what Schlossplatz means, but I think it's a museum. Yeah. So I'm at Schlossplatz in Stuttgart. All right, guys. So I just made it to a place called Forase. I think it's just a lake. And there's, oh wow. And there's this, I don't know if it's a church. Yeah, probably it's a church. It's pretty calm. I mean, today's just raining. So I guess everyone is just inside minding their business. No one wants to come to the little lake. See what's going on. Look at these little ducks. Ooh. So I think during the summer there's like a little fountain. Yeah, that comes out. Since it's not really that summertime, so they don't put it on. Well, off to the next location, which is probably the Illusion Museum. Yes, that's where I'm gonna go next. So guys, now I go to the Museum of Illusions. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go right now. Then after Stuttgart, it's been a pleasure, even though the weather wasn't that good, but hey, I still enjoy myself in Stuttgart. So guys, I just came to the Museum of Illusions. Oh, oh wow. So guys, this is the one, but I ain't got nobody here to take me a picture, so I guess you won't be seeing a picture of me with this. Alright, so this is trippy. So you guys have to just look inside here for like 30 seconds. And the gray around it disappears. That is very trippy. It's like an RGB light. Wow, this is also what? How? How? Oh my god. Go to the infinity boom.
Oh my.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.